Traditional design flows can be slow and fragmented. Today's engineers, in fact, need a more comprehensive understanding of design flows, along with faster and smarter ways to learn and execute. The Cadence RTL-to-GDSII Flow training course is your gateway to understanding and mastering the full digital design journey from beginning to end, from RTL to GDS2. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned engineer, this course boosts your productivity and confidence. You'll dive into multiple Cadence tools and processes at every stage of the ASIC flow. You'll start with coding a design in VHDL or Verilog, progress through simulation, synthesis, and optimization, perform logic checks, floor planning, and place and route, and finish by writing out a GDS2 file at the end of the process. In other words, you'll learn how steps follow a sequence and build design stages, how everything connects to get you through the flow to where you need to be. This smart training course gives you hands-on lab experience with 7 different Cadence tools, including Xcelium Logic Simulation, Verisium Manager App, Genus Synthesis Solution, Cadence Modus DFT Software Solution, Conformal Technologies, Innovis Implementation System, and Tempest Timing Solution. It offers adaptive flow integration, as well as real-world examples. In summary, participants of this training course will gain practical experience with the complete RTL to GDS2 flow in just 16 hours. Isn't that a good investment of your time? And not to forget, this training offers interactive quizzes, making the learning experience engaging and effective. It's also a fast course, giving you the option to accelerate your learning. By taking a pre-quiz, you can skip the content you already know and reach your training goal faster. The more you know, the faster you go. What are you waiting for?